What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching GladiatorOS. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 3 best custom ROMs for the Poco X3 Pro. So yeah, I have been thinking of making this video since a really long time, but the reality is I actually never got a lot of time to test out all of the ROMs and actually tell you the top 3 best gaming ROMs. But yes, this is the part first of the video. I'm going to make a lot of parts about this video and also going to tell you about there are some awesome ROMs out there, which are the ones you should be trying out and which are the ones which are just not worth trying out. Because yeah, there are some ROMs which are really awful, but there are some ROMs which are really incredibly awesome. So let's just get started. Starting off with the number 3, we have a ROM which is called Darfest OS. Now Darfest OS is basically one of the best Android 12 ROMs I can say and just declare it as the winner. But you know what? This is on the 3rd spot, not on the 1st. And here's the reason why. First of all, Darfest lacks 2 of the main reasons why I don't prefer this ROM over the official Pixel Android 12. Number 1 of that reason is it doesn't have Google Pixel Launcher. Yes, I get it. Darfest launcher is really fast, it's really smooth, but you know what? The Pixel launcher is just better. There are some situations where I found out that the Pixel launcher is a lot more smoother and a lot more responsive than the Darfest launcher. So that's the first reason. But we have the second reason, and that goes towards the heating issues. Yes, Darfest OS has a lot of heating issues. I haven't actually talked a lot about that because Poco X3 Pro in general has a lot of heating issues, but there is a thing which I would say, that is, if you want the best Android 12 custom ROM, in spite of the heating issues, there is the ROM. That is the ROM to go for. The Darfest is basically the smoothest, the best, like I'm quoting right now, the best, the smoothest Android 12 ROM for the Poco X3 Pro. So you should definitely have a try of that. Now let's move on towards the top 2nd best custom ROM for the Poco X3 Pro. And you know what? We actually have a really awesome ROM, like the ROM which is launched like few months before, but their ROM which I absolutely love. And that goes towards HydrogenOS. Yes, I'm not including the OxygenOS builds which we had earlier, like the OxygenOS 8, not those builds, but the OxygenOS, the Chinese version, that is the HydrogenOS. And here's why. Because HydrogenOS is not only good, it's actually crazy good. We have a lot of features. There's just one thing which it doesn't have, that is Google Assistant. But other than that, you are gonna be satisfied. Like, it offers 90 FPS in BGMI. It offers excellent amount of smoothness. There's a bit of bug in the brightness slider, but other than that, it is the ROM to go for. Really, it's super awesome, super smooth. Scrolling here and there, not a problem at all. You are gonna love it. OxygenOS, HydrogenOS, both are basically same. And I prefer to use the HydrogenOS rather than the OxygenOS beta ports because they're just too laggy to be good. Now we are on to the first category. And you know what? I've been making videos since a really long time and have actually tested a lot of custom ROMs, but in this first category, of course I'm gonna make more parts about this, but in this video we particularly have chosen a winner. And that winner, it goes towards GladiatorOS. Yes, you heard it right. GladiatorOS is in the top first of this list. And here's why. First of all, if you're loving MIUI the way it is, in spite of the bugs we have in Spotify, like, man, come on Sham, you should just fix it. But yeah, in spite of the bugs we have in Spotify, if you love the way MIUI normal is, you will love GladiatorOS. It is one of the best ROMs which have the perfect balance for battery life and performance. And that is what I love, because GladiatorOS heats up the device, that's for sure. It does heat up the device. But you know, in gaming, this ROM performs better than the HydrogenOS, which itself is actually better than the official MIUI which Poco has been giving us since so many days. So yeah, according to me, this is the ROM which gets my number 1 priority, and this is the ROM which you should be trying out right now before the release of MIUI 13. That's pretty much it for today's video. That wraps up my review of the best top 3 custom ROMs for the gaming in the Poco X3 Pro according to me. Of course, I'm gonna make more parts about this series, so if you love this, make sure you give this video around 100 likes so that I can make more videos about this. And so if you want to know more about Poco X3 Pro and a lot of other smartphones, make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's my ID. And that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. I'll see you around. Peace out.